Anyways, guys, sorry I had to turn off the music. Did y'all see that? Like, you're always in the ground for me. Um, I don't know what to say about that, but I'm gonna go ahead and rewatch the video, see if he's hacking, and if he is, I'm gonna post this. It looked like he was facing the hill or whatever was in front of him and hitting me. That's the first time I've ever seen him hack. That's actually kind of a surprise. Anyways, I'll see y'all guys. Bye.